Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem. The problem is that your TikTok app is not working properly on your iPhone or iPad. So simply just follow all the steps. I'm going to show you in this video to fix your issue. First, make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If it's connected, just disconnect it. After that, go to the General section. Then go to Software Update and update your iPhone or iPad to the latest iOS version. Next, go back and open iPhone Storage. Scroll down and find the TikTok app. Tap on TikTok, then tap on Offload App. It will offload your app and show you the option to reinstall app. Just reinstall the TikTok app from there. After that, go back again and scroll down to find Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on it, then tap on Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. Once you've done all these steps and the problem still isn't solved, simply uninstall the TikTok app and download it again from the App Store. Just search for TikTok, download it, and also make sure it's updated to the latest version. After that, check if it's working properly. If it's still not working, just uninstall TikTok once more and reinstall it again. So that's the video! Make sure you like our video and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming tech-related videos.